Do you want to know how you can show subscription offers in your OnlyFans? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your subscription offers in OnlyFans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then go ahead and click More, which is in the left hand corner. Now click on Settings and then go to Privacy and Safety. Now you can see the Show Subscription Offer. Turn it on and then you will get subscription offers on your screen. Let me show it to you once again. Go to onlyfans.com and then you should go ahead and click More. Now click on Settings and then click on Privacy and Safety. Now you can turn on Show Subscription Offers and you will get the subscription offers in your screen. This was a video on how you can show subscription offers on OnlyFans. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure to enjoy.